Hey there, just wanted to make a new video here just showing our new qualifier. I wanted to just make a quick comment that the gutter guard system is clogged up and needs servicing. So I'm going to use the common recommendations and observations gutter guard repairs. And then you can see gutter guard repairs, filters, and downspouts. So that's kind of a specific comment that I wanted. Now notice we got a new qualifier here, recommended maintenance. So it's no longer, you don't have to call it a repair item anymore. We can just call it recommended maintenance. I'll drag these two pictures in. The gutter system on this building is done with a cap gutter guard system to reduce clogging. The cap is currently obstructed with organic debris and needs to be cleaned, and there's organic debris inside the gutters which should be cleaned. These gutter guard systems often work well during light rains and can reduce the need for cleaning, but cleaning is eventually needed. Monitor during heavy rains as these cap systems can allow water to shed right off the gutter. Also be sure to clean the filters in the downspouts at least quarterly. And I could even put a little caption on a picture. Clean these downspout filters quarterly. Alright, we'll just save that. So there we go, got a nice simple observation. A nice way to break up your summary page. You no longer need just the repairs. Again, we got recommended maintenance. Alright, thanks for watching.